Hello financial fans. I made two trades this past week. I sold two stocks. I sold Intel and IBM. Symbol for Intel is INTC and IBM of course is IBM. And I sold IBM for $128.35 per share, 128. I bought it on 12/23 apparently for 124.57. So from 124 up to 128, I made a few dollars on that, not a whole lot. INTC, on the other hand, I bought back in, when did I buy it? Here it is, bought it on 11/5, $45.62. They were having a bargain sale, $45.62. I sold INTC at $63.45.5, so I made a nice profit on there. And both stocks, IBM and INTC, did go up after I sold them. So if anyone asks me how I make money in the stock market, I make money in the stock market by buying too late and selling too soon and locking in a profit. And we will look at four different stocks I think have merit, something worth looking at if you are looking to add something to your portfolio or just study stocks. I wish they taught stocks in even grade school. It would have been more fun than some of the arithmetic problems that they gave us. But we will look at first eBay. I've said this before, sound like a broken record, but eBay is looking like it's having a bargain sale. $59.73 was the closing price on Friday, and it is the symbol, by the way, EBAY, and the 52-week range, two-thirds of the way down the column on the left, 52-week range, $26.02 to $64.85, and the average volume about 7.5 million shares. And in the middle column, third item down, PE ratio 7.57. It's very inviting for a company like eBay, as well established as they are. They should do well this year if the COVID situation just kind of lets up and people start buying things and moving things and delivering things again, and the country comes back to life, and not just the country, the world. And eBay does have a dividend. We look down a little bit in that middle column. We see forward dividend and yield 72 cents. 72 cents. They won't have any trouble paying out 72 cents from their earnings per share of $7.89. 72 cents, and it comes out to about a dollar or 1.21% dividend yield. 1 year target, $69, might as well say $70 is the 1 year target. That would be a nice increase from the $59.73, so eBay I think looks like it's worth consideration. Next stock we look at is Qualcomm. QCOM is the symbol. $131.02 per share is the closing price on Friday, and the 52-week range, price range per share, $59.11 to $167.94. So it's got a lot of room to move, a lot of headroom there. That means some of the people who bought at a higher price are going to be hanging on to their shares, and it's not going to be easy to make Qualcomm go down from here. It's probably got a good chance of going up, especially if business picks up again very, very soon, hopefully. PE ratio, 22.40, higher than what I like, but I think they have a chance, this being the year that we come back outside into the active economic system that we eventually are going to have, and we hope we have it soon. The forward dividend and yield about 2%, $2.60 per year, and they won't have any trouble at all paying that from the earnings per share, $5.85. And down in the bottom of the left-hand column, near fair value is how the people who put together this information at Yahoo, that's their guess, and I would say it might be near fair value for as far as I can tell. Sunoco was the next stock we're looking at. SUN, I do own this. And Sunoco is $31.37 a share as of Friday closing. And 2/3 way down the left-hand column again, 52-week range, $12.61 to $33, so it's near the top. And the average volume, now this is something that makes this more speculative. The average volume is less than 500,000 shares traded a day. That still sounds like a lot, but it's not really a lot, and it could be hard to sell your shares if things turn sour. You have to wait until enough people line up who want to buy. So Sunoco looks good to me. I do own the stock. PE ratio on Sunoco, 1948, again higher than what I like. And the forward dividend and yield, $3.30 for a 10.5% dividend yield. Now they can't really afford to pay that, but they have decided to go ahead and pay it anyway. The earnings per share are $1.61 and they're paying out $3.30, so they're losing a little bit of money on that, but grab it while you can. And the 1-year target, $34. That would be a nice increase if that 10.5% dividend stays as is. Last stock we'll look at, Vedanta Limited, VEDL is the symbol. $12.14 is the closing price on Friday. And the 52-week range, $3.24 to $12.91, so it's getting near its high. And the average volume, slightly less than 1 million. Again, that makes it more speculative, but it is close to 1 million shares a day. And it's near fair value according to that information on the bottom of the left-hand column. In the middle column, third item down, PE ratio under 10. I like that, 9.98. And the forward dividend and yield, 72 cents for a 6% yield. That is nice, and they shouldn't have any trouble paying that. Earnings per share, $1.22. That looks good on paper. We'll see what happens in the future, but if you're planning on buying something and hanging on to it for a long time, this might be a stock to look at $12.14. So I thank you very much for watching.